Today, we're diving into the delightful world of succulents, focusing specifically on how to propagate them from cuttings. If you're a succulent lover like myself, you'll find this process both fascinating and rewarding. Let's get started. First, let's understand what propagation means. In simple terms, propagation is the process of creating new plants from a variety of sources, in this case, cuttings from an existing succulent. It's a fantastic way to expand your collection without having to purchase new plants. Now, here's how you can propagate succulents from cuttings. 1. ***. Choosing your cutting ***. Look for a healthy, mature succulent and choose a leaf or stem to cut. When selecting a leaf, gently twist it from the stem, ensuring you get the whole leaf. For stem cuttings, use a clean, sharp knife or scissors to make a cut. 2. ***. Let it callus over ***. This step is crucial. Once you have your cutting, lay it out on a paper towel or a piece of parchment and let it dry. The cut end needs to form a callus to prevent it from rotting. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a week. 3. ***. Rooting your cutting ***. Once the cut end has calloused, place your cutting on top of well-draining succulent or cactus soil. There's no need to bury it, simply rest it on top of the soil. For leaf cuttings, you'll notice tiny roots and eventually a small succulent forming at the base. For stem cuttings, roots will start to emerge from the buried part of the cutting. 4. ***. Watering your propagated cuttings. ***. Succulents store water in their leaves, so overwatering is a common mistake. Mist your cuttings lightly once a week or whenever the soil looks completely dry. Too much water can rot the new roots, so it's better to err on the side of underwatering. 5. ***. Patience is a virtue ***. Succulent propagation is not a fast process. It requires patience. In a few weeks to months, depending on the type of succulent, you'll see significant root development and new growth. 6. ***. Transplanting ***. Once your new succulent has established roots and has grown a bit, you can transplant it into its own pot. Continue to care for it like any other succulent with lots of light and minimal water. Propagating succulents is not just about growing new plants, it's about understanding and interacting with the natural world. It teaches us patience, care, and the rewards of nurturing life. Thank you for watching. Remember, each succulent cutting has the potential to grow into a new, beautiful plant. With the right care and a bit of patience, you'll be rewarded with an ever-expanding succulent collection. Happy propagating!